Where are we at?
I don't know, to ask no one the river.
Yeah, we actually can't say it is a secret spot. And here's a pretty flower. Let's go.
Follow Elma.
Whoa. Okay, well, let me put this down now so no one knows the exact route. Hey, baby. I feel like there's some cows missing in this field. There used to be cows.
One time I remember. Oh.
Wow. Oh, fuck.
Ciao.
I'm good, I'm good. Ankle therapy. Ankle therapy.
Yo creo que this is my service.
Oh, is it getting muddy now?
Yeah, but
Okay, it's muddy and my ankle is slightly broken still, but we're doing this. None of this even looks real. Oh my God, I'm so scared right now. I can't move. Okay, I'm not gonna break my ankle. I'm not gonna break my ankle. Okay, I did it. I did it. Ow. I'm healing. I'm healing. And I got this. We made it. I'm pretty sure we just go right under this bamboo here. Holy! Ah! ¡Qué bello! Oh my gosh! No way!
I'll set them on fire. Okay, I'm gonna.
Look at
If
this.
you get the Puerto Rican one.
Whoop.
Oh, the water is so good.
Yeah. Whoa! That looks so cool.
Ahora sí.
Come to me, rope. Damn, it's short. Okay, ready?
But you gotta go up.
That's the highest? From there.
A little bit up. Ahí más arribita. Ahí, exacto, para allá. Desde ahí.
Yeah?
Yeah. Go for it. Yeah, daddy.
Okay, that waterfall is being strong. Oh my God. Woo! Ah, it's a slide. This is the best day ever.
No. Oh my God, Daddy. No, wait. Oh, no. No way.
Oh my. Daddy, it's underwater.
You're changing the direction of the whole water. Oh my god. He's gone. ¿Verdad que como que da miedo? Today is a good day and it's gonna get better. Oh yeah. Okay, this rope swing.
Yo era Android, cabrón. I was like Android for years.
But this rope swing is gonna kill me. I wanted a backflip and the backflips are not working today. Okay. Strong grip. Starting now. Okay, that's the first drop today I didn't fail.